Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn phonic sound. M and N sound. Today we learn these two sounds. Okay, let's begin. What is this? This is the king of fruit. Mango. Yes. Mango. What is the beginning sound of mango? Yes, it's M. Mango. M. Mango. M. Mango. That's nice. Look at there. What is this? This is moon. What is the beginning sound of moon? Do you know? Yes, it's M. M. Moon. M. Moon. M. Moon. Yes. Very good. Look at there. What's this? This is monkey. Monkey is hanging over the branch. What is the beginning sound of monkey? Yes, it's M. M monkey. M monkey. M monkey. Splendid. Look at there. It's the mouth. You all have mouth. Yes, alhamdulillah. What is the beginning sound of mouth? Do you know? Yes, it's M. M mouth. M mouth. M mouth. Splendid. Look at there. It's a huge mountain. Yes, what is the beginning sound of mountain? Do you know? Yes, absolutely right. In mountain. 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 That's great. What is this? It's really yummy. Yes, it's muffin. You all like muffin, huh? Yes, it's really delicious. What is the beginning sound of muffin? Do you know? Yes. Muffin. 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 That's nice. Look at there. It's a mouse. What is the beginning sound of mouse? Do you know? Yes, it's M. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse says squish, squeak, squeak. Yes, it sounds like this. Mouse. Mouse. That's great. Look at there. It's really colorful markers. Yes. So what is the beginning sound of marker? Do you know? Yes. Marker. Marker. Markers. Absolutely right. Nice. Students, do you know which comes after in sound? Yes, it's in sound. Absolutely right. Amazing. Look at there. It's nose. We smell, smell, smell. We smell, smell, smell. We smell with our nose. Yes, it's nose. So what is the beginning sound of nose? Do you know? Yes, it's in nose, in nose, in nose, in nose. Absolutely right, amazing. Look at there, it's a nest. So, what is the beginning sound of nest? Do you know? Yes, it's in nest, nest, in nest. Amazing. So what is the beginning sound of mat? Do you know? Yes, it's in nest, in net, in net. Amazing. What is this? These are nerds. Yes. So what is the beginning sound of nerd? Do you know? Yes, it's good. And nerds, and nerds, and nerds. That's great. Let's think about it. Which thing starts with the in sound? Just look around your room or anywhere you are. Find out the thing which starts with the in sound. Look at there. What is this? It's nib. Very good. Nib, nib, and nib. Absolutely right. Amazing. Amazing. It's newspaper. It's newspaper. What is the banging sound of newspaper? You all know it. Yes, it's in. In newspaper. 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 That's great. Superb. You did it.
That's great. You did it.
Superb. You did it. Are you ready, students? Okay, let's sing a poem with me. M is for monkey, 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 M is for monkey. M is for marker, 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 M is for marker. M is for mouse, squeak, squeak, mouse, squeak, squeak, mouse, M is for mouse. M is for muffin, 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 yummy. Wow. M is for moon, 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 M is for moon. M is for mountain, 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 M is for mountain. M is for mouth, 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 M is for mouth. Bubble up your mouth. M is for mobile, 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 M is for mobile. M is for mosquito, 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 M is for mosquito. M is for mat, 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 M is for mat. Amazing. N is for nose, 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 N is for nose. We smell, smell, smell. We smell with our nose. N is for nurse, 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 N is for nurse. Coming to help her. N is for nurse, 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 N is for nurse. Healthy food. N is for nest, 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 N is for nest. N is for newspaper, 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 newspaper. N is for nap, 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 nap. We did it! Inshallah. We will bring another sound for you next time. Bye bye.
Thank you for your support and patience. I'm so grateful for all. Bye bye.